Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate quickly this clom wafer rake set here. These are the letter boxes in my flat. Now obviously I'd love to plough through all of them with relative ease because this is a brilliant set, especially for these locker locks, but that's unethical and illegal, so probably best I don't do that. So I'm just going to show you with my lock. So that's it. Okay, I don't use the tension tool with these. I tend to use them just, I use the rake itself as a tension. There you go. And you can probably lock it as well. Yeah, very good bit of kit.